Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Dry skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera, and 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. Instructions: combine the olive oil, coconut oil, honey, aloe vera, and finely ground oatmeal to a bowl. Mix thoroughly. How to use it: apply the mask to affected area and gently massage for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat it dry. You can apply this 1 to 2 times per week, depending on your skin's tolerance and need for moisture. How it works: coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that nourish and moisturize the skin, and olive oil contains vitamin E and oleic acid, which help to soften and hydrate the skin, while honey is a natural humectant and draws moisture into the skin. Aloe helps to soothe the skin and provides deep hydration. Last but not least, oatmeal provides anti-inflammatory properties as well as provides moisture. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content added often.